pgvector brings nearest neighbor search into Postgres itself, no separate vector database required. Let's look at how the type system, distance operators, and indexes work under the hood. An embedding is just a list of floats produced by a model like text embedding EDA002. pgvector lets you store those lists in a typed column and run nearest neighbor queries with standard SQL distance operators. Each vector column stores exactly n 32-bit floats per row. Postgres checks the dimension on every write, and the three built-in distance operators let the planner hand off nearest neighbor work to a dedicated index. The three distance operators each produce a scalar you can sort on. Arrow dash arrow is L2, arrow equals arrow is cosine, and hash arrow is negative inner product. Wrap any of them in order by with a limit, and you get k nearest neighbor search. First, enable the extension. The vector4 declaration locks every row in that column to exactly 4 floats. The IVFFlat index uses vector underscore cosine underscore ops, which tells Postgres to partition the space using cosine distance. The embedding literal is a bracketed float array cast to the vector type automatically. The cosine distance expression appears in select so we can see the score, and order by that alias with a limit gives us the 5 nearest neighbors. We have 5 documents with 3-dimensional embeddings. The query vector points along the first axis. The result returns the 3 rows whose direction is closest to that vector, sorted by cosine distance, then id for a stable order. The classic PR mistake. The index is built with the L2 operator class, but the query uses the cosine distance operator. Postgres silently ignores the index and scans every row. Always verify that the operator class and the query distance operator name the same metric. 3 things to flag in review. Confirm the operator class matches the distance operator. Confirm embeddings are injected by the application, not generated in SQL. And confirm an appropriate index exists, so queries scale past a few thousand rows.